Introducing Craft a Flower Prairie Roses layering die set. On the back you find the layering guide showing the inks and cardstock used to create the images shown here. You'll also see step by step how to layer together the 3 flowers as well as the adorable bud at the bottom. Here's a look at the dies included in your set. On the front, you'll see examples at the top and the colors that they would be if you're following along with the layering guide. At the bottom, you see an example of a project you could create with this set. Let's get started. We'll begin with arrow piece 1. Use the arrow to align piece number 2. We'll use the arrow to align piece 3. Making sure it's aligned. We'll use the arrow again to align this beautiful piece 4. Piece 5, we'll use the arrow. The next piece, we'll use the arrow, the first of the flower centers. This will cover that shape, so it will follow the shape. And then we have kind of a crescent moon shape that will go over on the right. For flower number 2, it looks like an upside down T. We'll layer piece 2 on piece 1, piece 3 on piece 2. We'll use the center to align piece 4, the center to align the 5th piece. I'm just checking as I go with my tweezers to make sure these are staying aligned. Next, we'll use the center to align the first piece of the flower center. The next piece is that circular shape, so it will align with the whole shape. And then we have another crescent moon shape that will align. Next, we'll begin on the snowman flower, as I call it. We'll align piece 2 with piece 1, piece 3 with piece 2. And we'll bring in our 4th piece, which aligns at the bottom of the snowman. It's only a portion of the snowman that helps us align that. Next, we'll align the 5th piece. And then we'll go ahead, our first flower centerpiece. The piece that covers that shape, so nobody knows about the snowman. And then finally, our crescent moon shape. And then for the bud, we are going to put our bud down and then we align the stem at the bottom. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft a Flower Prairie Roses set. Here is some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft a Flower Prairie Roses and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.